Hello, it's Diane, and it's time to talk about this brand new pattern and kit to my online store from Adel in Summer. And this is the panel quilt top, and that these flowers are absolutely gorgeous. They're a watercolor or hand-painted look to them. There are beautiful flowers in a mason jar, and it reads, "The best memories are made between the months of June and August." And I wholeheartedly agree. I love spring and summer. This pattern only calls for three different patterns to it. This is actually part of the Adele in Summer collection, and it's called Berry, and it's a grid, and it will be this edge that's out here. And although that this looks a little bit coral on my camera, it really is a berry pink. This also goes with it. That's part of the collection. This one is called, the color is called Pear, and it's got some really cute, as you can see, really bright pink little flowers. And that green goes on, the outside of the panel, as you can see in this area on the pattern. And then for the floral, where we've got the white, that's going to be the little snowball blocks, I've chosen a different fabric from a different collection. This is actually from the Sunshine and Chamomile collection by Poppy Cotton. This is a really pretty panel, and it would make a great summer weight quilt. We've got some fabulous Quilter's Dream batting that's really a lightweight bamboo tinsel silk blend that would be perfect for a quilt for your sofa for the summertime when it gets just a little too chilly from the air conditioning on the inside of your house. So anyway, this is a beautiful panel, and I've got several of the kits already cut, and we will be cutting more. But it is a limited supply. I bought one bolt of panels, and when they're gone, they're gone. And I've got the beautiful fabrics that go with. So this kit will also include the binding fabric, so it'll be ready to go. So shop now at dianesews.com.